Okay, this problem says find the area of the shaded area. So you see our whole figure here is a trapezoid, and then the part in here that is white that's not shaded is a triangle. So what we need to do to find the area of these two shaded parts is we're going to have to find the area of the whole trapezoid. Then we're going to have to find the area that isn't shaded, so the area of this triangle, and then subtract the area of the trapezoid minus the area of the triangle. So remember, the formula for the area of a trapezoid is base plus base divided by 2 times height. So here in our problem, 12 is a base, 20 is a base of the trapezoid. Remember, the bases are the two sides of the trapezoid that are parallel to each other. So the area of the trapezoid is going to be 12 plus 20 divided by 2 times 4, because 4 is our height over here. So when we calculate that, we get that the area of the trapezoid is 64 centimeters squared. Next, we need to find the area of the triangle. So we're talking about this triangle right here that I put some purple dots on. We're finding the area of this triangle. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times height. We know that the base of the triangle is 12, and the height is 4, because that's what we're given over here. So area of a triangle equals 1/2 times 12 times 4, which is 24 centimeters squared. Then, like I said at the beginning of the video, to find the area of the shaded portion, we need to do the area of the trapezoid, so that's the area of the entire figure, minus the area of the triangle. And we're going to subtract the part that is not shaded in. So that is going to be 64 minus 24, which is 40 centimeters squared.